Good morning children, back to the class. So in our previous class we have seen that how the Robinson Crusoe was came to one island. When he was going to Africa, the big storm came and everybody, all his company was disappeared. Finally he was brought into the one small island. So when he came, nothing was there. Then our next day, he has seen his ship was nearby him only. Then he swim into the water and got all the things, how many he can bring and keep, because in that island, वो island में कोई नहीं है इसी के अलावा, इसलिए पूरा लेकर के रखा है. तो बाद में ये क्या किया है, अच्छे से घर बना दिया है. घर के अंदर पूरा एनिमल, कितना एनिमल उसको देखा है वो सबको अच्छा वाला एनिमल देख करके उसको मारने के बाद उसका मीट काट करके, so he has cutting his meat and he kept for drying. After that he store all the meat, everything. Then when he was doing that, after little 2 years, by the 2 years he made one small boat. वो boat में finally ये boat अच्छे से बन गया. Then after that he was going surround the island वो पानी में इधर उधर जा करके फिश पकड़ रहा था और नियर बाय आइलैंड्स जाकर के देख रहे, ये सब कुछ he was doing. Then when he was just living like this, what happened? He developed his own calendar, so of the days and months, and kept a record of all his daily activities. So what he had then, अपने से एक calendar बना दिया है. So he made a one calendar. Then after making a calendar, what he has done? He kept all the record, means activities, what do आज क्या करना है, कल क्या करना है, next क्या क्या किया है, सब कुछ एक रिकॉर्ड बना करके रखते हैं. He learned to make pots and group corn, rice and wheat. Then finally he tamed a goat and a cat and a dog. Now Robinson Crusoe lived happily. So not only this one he was making. He learned how to make the boat and how to make other things. And he started to cultivate the rice, corn, wheat, all the things he started to cultivate everything. Then finally, not only that, he brought the cat. He found a cat in that area. The cat and a dog, goats, everything he brought, and he started to take care of that all the pet animals also. Whatever he felt, it is good. Then he started to live very happily. One fine day, a boat full of sages landed on his island. So, full of sages means thieves, we can say. So all that were landed in this island. They had a prisoner with them. So one prisoner also they are having with them. They were going to eat him as they were. They were going to eat him as they were cannibals. So cannibals, they are the cannibals means what? C-A-N-N-I-B-A-L-S. Cannibals means what? A person who eats the flesh. A person who eats is the flesh of other human, flesh of other humans. So दूसरा लोग तो फ्लेश खाने वाला लोग है, human. So they eat the abundance, they eat other people's flesh. So they all were going to eat. The prisoner managed to free himself and ran off his life. The savages ran after him. Robinson decided to save the little black man. So he wanted to save that little black man. So when he has seen that they all are killing him, he wanted to save him. Then savages on one by one. He then took the man home. He named him Friday, as he was found on Friday. So he saved that black man, and after saving that black man, he has taken him. He killed all the savages, all the people, other who are behind of him. सब लोग को मार दिया है. Then after that, he took this black man to his home. Then after that, he has given a name as a Friday. Why he has given as a Friday name? Because he found him on Friday. So Friday वो उसको मिला है, इसलिए उसका नाम भी Friday रखा है. Crusoe was very happy. He had someone with whom he could now talk. For years he had been alone on the island. So now Robinson Crusoe also very happy because he found one man. He can talk to him. Till now he was not at all talking with anybody. Just he was alone. Only with animals. Somehow he brought some animals and he was keeping. Now he was very happy that कोई है उसके साथ बात करने के लिए. Then happily they stayed in the island for years. But both of them did not know each other's language. When he felt that happy, I am very happy. अभी हमको ये मिला है, हम बात कर सकते हैं, वो सोचा है. लेकिन बाद में पता चला है वो दोनों को दूसरा लोग का लैंग्वेज मालूम नहीं. Crusoe therefore taught him English step by step. So slowly the Crusoe क्या किया है, वो ब्लैक मैन को इंग्लिश पढ़ना सीखना, कैसे लिखना है, कैसे बात करना, वो सब सिखाना शुरू कर दिया. Then he started. Gradually Friday learned English. So step by step the Friday also started learning English very well. For many years Robinson Crusoe lived on the island happily with his friend Friday. One day the big ship came near his island and landed on it. Crusoe was happy to see his countrymen. They were surprised to see him and his house. They took Robinson Crusoe and his friend Friday to England. There Crusoe told all his adventures to his friends. So finally, for many years, these both stayed together. Now Friday also, the black man Friday also has learned English, and they both are talking with each other. Very happily they were staying. So after many years, they both happily they stayed. Then one day they have seen a very big ship was coming towards the island. The ship came near this island, and they found that Robinson Crusoe was alive, and the people were there. Robinson Crusoe countrymen from his country only they had come. They all were very happy to see Robinson alive. Then finally they took Robinson Crusoe and his friend Friday also with them to the England. When he went back, he told all the adventures. Adventures means unusually exciting, means क्या क्या वो किया है, वो पूरा अपना फ्रेंड्स को बता दिया है. कैसे वो उधर वो आइलैंड में अकेले जी रहा था, क्या क्या किया है, कैसे उसको ब्लैक मैन फ्राइडे मिला है, वो सब कुछ उसको अच्छे से बता दिया. So dear children, this is about the story of Robinson Crusoe. So do you all like it? So you also read one more time so that it will be very clear to you. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. With this we have completed our English second full portion is over. Now your duty to learn each and everything from your textbook. Thank you.